Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Varshika Singh and I'm back with another video. As I promised you in my previous Amazon haul that I will be reviewing every product in detail. So here I am and today I'm going to be reviewing all the 6 lipsticks which I ordered. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here are my lipsticks which I ordered, which I showed you in my haul, and as I told you, there are 6 lipsticks which I ordered, and here are they. These are all the lipsticks which I got, and let's get one by one. So these are shade, and I'm gonna randomly pick up any of them, and then I'm gonna review it. So first I'm gonna pick up this one. I don't know which shade is this, so let's see. Okay, this is shade number 19. And as I told you, the brand is Kiss Proof, and I ordered these 6 lipsticks for rupees 300. So each one of them was approx for rupees 50. And yeah, I ordered all of these from Amazon, and let's get started. Okay, I also got a small pamphlet in the box of each lipstick like this, and let me show you the shade. Actually, there is one more problem that I just recognized, that you have to sharp all the lipsticks. They just don't roll over. Previously, I thought that this will be a roll over lipstick, but it doesn't roll. I need to order a sharpener separately because any sharpener would not work on it. There is a separate sharpener for the kiss proof lipsticks. Okay, so back to the point. This is the first shade I got. This is shade number 19, and this is the color. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand to show you guys, and let me show you. The lipsticks are super smooth and they are proper matte finish and just beautiful colors. So this is the first shade. As you can see, I really like this shade. It is almost nude and you can wear it on a daily basis, and yeah, a thumbs up. Okay, so moving on, this is the first lipstick. I'm gonna keep it here, and the next I randomly picked is a shade number 13, and yeah, 13 is the shade which I'm currently wearing, so I'm not gonna swatch it. And this is a gorgeous color. I am totally in love with it. This is the shade I'm wearing, and it is super smooth, a matte finish, and just perfect. This is the shade. Okay, let me give you swatch just for an instance. This is the shade. A gorgeous red color on the maroon side. I really love this. I just love this. Let me see if any other color can break this. For now, the code number 13 is my favorite lipstick. The next I picked up is number 10. Let's see what this has got. Okay, so this is this one. It is also on the red side, but a little light from the shade 13 which I showed you just now, and this is the shade. Okay, this one is also really pretty, but it is a little bright from this shade. But yeah, this one is also really pretty, and all the sticks are really smooth, which I am really liking about them. And yeah, this is the next one. Next, let's shuffle it. Next I'm gonna pick up is this. Okay, so this is the shade number 16, and let's see which color is it. Okay, it's a very pretty pink color, and let's see how does it look. This is the shade, and let's swatch it. It is a gorgeous pink color. Here it is. And all the colors till now are very gorgeous, as you can see. So this was the fourth shade I showed you. And the next is shade number 14, and the shade is, this is the shade more on the purple side, I would say plum. And I'm really excited to swatch this one because I haven't used any of this for now. This is the first time using it, and the code is 13. And let's see what this color has got. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. It has just a perfect purple color, and you can see it. This is the shade. Okay, so this is another lipstick, and the last one I'm going to be showing you for today is the code number 15, and let's see what this has got. Okay, it's a very light pink or purple or nude color, and yeah, let's try this one on. Okay, this is a very light color, light pink color, very easy and mild to wear on a daily basis. Here it is, as you can see, it is very light, and yeah, the color is very different. I don't own any of this color in my lipstick collection till now, so I love each and every color of this, and the quality is really good. I never thought that this would be such great quality, and yeah, I really give a thumbs up to the Amazon lipsticks, and I would definitely leave the link of these lipsticks in the description box down below. So if you want to see or buy or purchase any lipstick, or they are available separately also, but I ordered a whole lot to try each color. So yeah, I will leave the link in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like me today's video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't watched my Amazon haul, then guys, the description box has all the links to my videos, so please go and check it out. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. That's all for today's videos, guys. I have many more exciting videos coming ahead, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.